or in the school, there are some ways in which we can prevent the fire. Some of them are, we can use the carbon dioxide extinguisher because it is the best way to stop the fire. And if the fire is a little bit, not too much, then we can also use a blanket or a sack because it cuts the supply of oxygen and thus the fire will get stopped. And by chance, if we do not have carbon dioxide extinguisher and sack or blanket, then we should use water buckets to stop the fire if the fire is small.
Okay, yes, absolutely correct. So everyone, you can use blanket in case of small fire, just to cut out the supply of oxygen, or sack also. And secondly, stop adding fuel. Okay, try to just take away the fuel that is causing fire. And you can use fire extinguisher that is generally installed in buildings. Okay, you can use that carbon dioxide extinguisher. And you can use water, in which case, if the fire is not caused due to electrical appliance and it's not oil based, then you can use water also. Okay, so anyone else who wants to speak this answer again? Shubh, please speak this answer again.
Yes, ma'am. Some of the things you should do to prevent a fire at home or in the school by following ways. At home, we can prevent the fire if all the electrical appliances are turned off, and we should prevent it from by putting a damp bucket of sack. Small fires should be prevented in this way. And in the schools should teach children how to prevent the fire and train them to how to put the fire. Schools should have all the fire extinguishers and should be ready for use.
Okay, exactly, well done. So next one is Amarjot, do you want to add something, or this is the final answer?
Ma'am, this is the final answer.
Okay, this
You
is
did
final.
well
Okay.
answer.
So I hope it is clear. Now I'm moving to the back exercise. This is, I think, simple present tense. You have to find out some verbs from the text which are in simple present tense. And around 9 blanks are there. So hurry up, please find out simple present tense verbs from the chapter and tell me, and I'll write here one by one. So you can find out 3 from the first page, then 2 from the next page, like that. So, yes, Gaurish.
Ma'am, I just want to add one point in the last question. Ma'am,
Okay.
if the fires are not in our control, then we should call fire workers because they can handle the situation very well in case of big fires.
Because they are trained people and they know better than us. Okay, correct, Peter. So if fire is not under control, we must call fire brigade immediately just to protect ourselves from that fire. Okay. Now everyone please find out the words from the chapter which are in simple present tense, first form of verb. So one by one, all of you will speak and I will write here. Harmeet, hurry up, please tell me one verb. Harmeet, then Karthik, then Gaurish, then Devang. In this order. Harmeet, you are not audible. Okay, Karthik, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, from first para, the first word is burn.
Okay, burn. Okay, next, Gaurish, please. No, you are not audible. Okay, Devang, continue everyone.
Ma'am, no. No.
KNOW, no. Okay. Other students, please. Jasmeet, Jasveer.
Catch. Catch.
Okay, catch. First form of verb.
Combine.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Now you are audible, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, form.
Form, okay. Jasmine, it is combines or combine?
Ma'am, combines.
Combines. Okay, next is form, FORM. Next.
Ma'am, in the first para, can we write the word heat?
Heat, okay. Please, can you speak the line? Heat कहाँ लिखा हुआ
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
Mhm.
To burn paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before it
Yes, this is the verb.
catches fire.
Heat. Yes, it can be an answer.
Ma'am, now
Okay.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible now.
Ma'am, generate.
Generate, okay.
Ma'am, call.
Call.
Begins.
Hmm. Begins. Who spoke begins? Okay, there are, I think, so many words. So you can always choose your own words. So these are the 9 words which are in present tense, simple present tense, first form of verb, and S or ES sometimes with singular.
Ma'am, can we write stick?
Speak up the line. It is as noun or verb. When
Ma'am,
you were-
newspaper or a stick lying in the open.
This is a noun. This is a noun. Stick is a
Okay,
name
ma'am.
of something that is lying there. We need to find out
Okay,
the
ma'am.
verb. Okay.
Okay.
So, someone was speaking. Please show me thumbs up. I just muted all. हाँ जी हरमीत, yes please.
मैम जो 8th क्वेश्चन है मैम उसमें हम ये वाली लाइन ऐड कर सकते हैं while cooking do not wear that type of clothes in kitchen which catch fire.
Okay, yes बेटा, you can write. प्रिवेंशन की बात की है ना, प्रिवेंशन में आप सारे पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हो जिससे हम फायर को लगने ही ना दें, ठीक है? तो yes, take the fuel away from kitchen, ठीक है? That can also cause fire. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes while going to kitchen or on the festivals like Diwali. So you can always add so many points. So next question is, let me move to the next question. Okay, there are some options given here. Carbon, cause, fire, smother. Smother means suffocate करना, to cut the supply of oxygen, ठीक है? Suffocate कर देना किसी चीज को. So these are the 4 words and we are having 8 blanks. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Hurry up, please solve these blanks and then we'll discuss together. You have 2 minutes and your time starts now. And Shubh, you can ask your question or you are raising hand for answer.
Ma'am, for answer.
This answer only? Blanks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll discuss after 1 to 2 minutes. Let other students also do, okay? So everyone do it. You have just 2 minutes. Okay, I think I should start now. So Madhav, please tell me first answer, then Shubh, then Ruhani.
Ma'am, first is cause.
Yes, first is cause. Okay, second, Shubh.
Ma'am, second answer is fire.
Second answer is fire. Have you insured your house against fire? Okay. So next, Ruhani. Ruhani, please tell me third answer. Diamond is nothing but
Ma'am, carbon.
carbon. Diamond is actually carbon. Okay, next one is Harmeet. Yes, please. Number 4.
Smother.
Smother. Okay. Number 5, Aditya, just wait, Peter. Just 1 minute. You will tell fifth answer. Smother means suffocate. If you put too much coal on fire at once, you will suffocate it. To add something in excess quantity is also smother. Okay, Aditya, please tell me answer. Number 5.
Ma'am, fifth is cause.
Smoking is said to be the main cause of heart disease. Okay. Let me write cause. Cause means reason or something. So Jasmeet and then Saksham Samar. 6th one.
Fire.
Okay. When asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some fire into his story, Somerset Maugham Mohammed, no, the other way round. Okay, यहाँ पे fire असली वाली fire नहीं है. Fire means some interesting element जो लोगों को हिला के रख दे. Okay. Next, Saksham Samar. She is a dash copy of her mother.
Carbon copy.
Carbon copy. Next, please. Who's left here? Others also, please raise your hand. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think smother.
1 minute. It is often difficult to dash a yawn when you listen to long speech on value of time. What are the options? Cause, fire,
Ma'am, cause, carbon, fire.
Only
and
one is
smother.
left. Smother ही आ सकता है. बाकी 3 तो बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि यही appropriate बन रहा है, बाकी वो
Hmm.
sense नहीं बन रही थोड़ी.
Smother. So this was the question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3. Just after 30 seconds. Everyone please note down this one. Next one is opposite, I think. This is the italicized sized word open. जैसे first में open है, थोड़ा सा italicize किया हुआ उसको. So you have to tell the opposite of open. You were required to keep all the doors open, not dash. Okay, I'm giving you again 1 minute. Hurry up, please. Do it, then we'll start again. Okay, Shubh 4, Madhav 5.
Ma'am, increase.
Reduce, increase. Okay.
Spending last.
Last one is spending. Okay.
Spending.
Okay. Do you all have dictionary in your phone? क्योंकि वो दूसरी वाली डिक्शनरी तो मे बी आजकल कोई यूज नहीं कर रहा, तो प्लीज ट्राई टू इंस्टॉल वन डिक्शनरी इन योर फोन. ठीक है, तो आई विल सेंड यू द आइकन आल्सो. दैट्स वेरी गुड डिक्शनरी. उसमें आप प्रोनाउंसिएशन हर वर्ड की सुन सकते हो और यू कैन फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग ऑब्वियसली. पर साथ में उसके देयर इज वन माइक बटन और स्पीकर बटन आल्सो एंड इट विल शो यू द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. I'll send you the icon. Just install it in your phone. Okay. So first one is open, shut. Second is subtract, add, subtract, preserve, destroy. Next one is reduce. Reduce का opposite होगा increase. And late, soon. The world is too much with us. Late and soon. Getting and spending. Okay, getting and spending. When you get something means something is adding to your thing. ठीक है, and spending आप उस चीज को spend कर रहे हो. Getting is equal to spending. Now next one. Next question. Just wait. So these are the some 4 prepositions. First of all, I'll just tell you what is the meaning of each preposition, then you can fill in the blank. Across means there is one open area and you have to go from one side to another side. जैसे हम सड़क पार करते हैं. From one side of the road to another side of the road, it means across. Across. Next one is along. Just wait. So across is, suppose this is a road and you are standing here and you have to go to this side. So this is across. Next is along. Suppose there is one river and you want to just go along this line. आप उसके साथ साथ चल रहे हो. That is along. And past is किसी के side से होके चले जाना. ठीक है? So past means again something is lying there and you are just moving aside it. That is past. Through is generally closed area, and in closed area you just go from this side and comes out of the another side. This is through. Across और through almost they are same. दोनों ही एक side से दूसरी side जाना है, but through generally there is one roof above us. ठीक है, चाहे वो forest में trees का roof हो हमारे ऊपर या कोई भी closed चीज हो, that is through. And across generally from the open area. Along किसी के साथ साथ जाना and past किसी के side से होके जाना. ठीक है, so these are the meanings. Now hurry up please, find out the answers, then I'll ask you the answers. You have 30 seconds everyone. Okay, let's start. Ruhani number 1, Aditya number 2, Veronica number
Ma'am,
3, Raghav 4.
the cat chased the mouse across the lawn. Across.
Okay, across the lawn, as you know that lawn is an open area, so yes, across is the correct answer. So everyone please write down across. Next one please. Aditya, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Is along.
Along. What is the meaning of frontier everyone? Frontier is a kind of border. और जैसे एक फोर्ट बना होता है, फोर्ट के बाहर वाला जो बॉर्डर एरिया होता है, so you can just move along it. उसके साथ साथ चलते हो. Okay, next one. Veronica number 3 and Raghav number 4. Repeat it.
Past.
Past. Okay. Raghav number 4.
Ma'am, through.
It is not difficult to see through. Yes, see through your plan. See through means to know someone's plan. Okay, see through. Last one.
Go along the yellow line.
Go, yes, go along the yellow line. उसके साथ साथ चलना है. Okay. So these were the answers. Preposition, and our next topic is preposition only. That's why we just picked up that topic. हमें पता था यहाँ पे preposition है, and next on Monday we are going to do prepositions, and please get ready with your grammar books on Monday. So let me see. Next, something is left or not? No, this we are not going to do. So one campaign is there from CBSE side that every day 5 to 6 students will read something in the class. So let's do that thing. Today our activity is zigzag reading. Okay, we have just 2-3 minutes left. So zigzag reading में क्या होता है? You will read the line from right to left and then from left to right. ठीक है, one line from right to left, then left to right. ठीक है, this is the zigzag reading. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Zigzag reading. Okay. Now who will start it? Please tell me. Raise your hand. Okay, yes, Karthik, please start. This is the line here. Fire station goes up in flame. Read the first line. पहले order में पढ़ो, then उसको उल्टा पढ़ो. ठीक है? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Fire station goes up in flames. Flames in up goes station fire.
Okay, next line also.
A fire chief was embarrassed when a station without a smoke alarm went up in flames. Flames in up went alarm smoke. A without station. A when embarrassed was chief fire. A.
Exactly. Okay, Gaurish, next line.
Smoke alarm went up in flames. The building.
The building से start करो बेटा. The building.
Okay, ma'am. The building and a fire engine were destroyed in the blaze. Blaze the in destroyed were engine, fire and building the.
Exactly. Just mean next line.
Nobody was injured in the fire that was tackled by 30 firefighters in 6 fire engines from neighboring towns. Towns neighboring from engines, fire 6 in firefighters, 30 by tackled was that fire the injured was nobody.
Okay, well done all of you. So we have another 1 minute. So Amarjot. Amarjot, please. Are you ready? Speak up something, please. अच्छा, चलो unmute.
मैम कहाँ से पढ़ना है?
When the fire till full stop. Here. You can read from the screen. You can see.
When fire broke out, everybody became a firefighter. Firefighter became everybody. Out broke fire went.
Okay. So around 4 students read today. अब आपने मेरे को Monday भी याद करवाना है. Last 10 minutes we'll just give to this activity zigzag reading. जब तक कि सारे students cover नहीं हो जाते and then next week we will have some another activity. This will go on for 14 weeks till April month. Yeah, okay. हम चलो March तक तो करेंगे इसको. So every week you will have one new activity and every student will get turn. And Monday please मेरे को थोड़ा याद करवा देना that we have to do this activity. Okay. Now I'm just leaving the meeting and bye beta. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.